Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How's everyone feeling today?
It's good, ma'am. We're good.
Wow, it seems that all of you are all fine today. You may now take your seats. And for now, we will having a group activity. I will divide you into four groups, and each group will fix the puzzle I will give to you. And after that, you are going to post it in our board. And when your group is done, you will say, Yahoo! Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start now. You only have 3 minutes to fix that puzzle. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
You may now post it on our board.
Yahoo!
Group 1 is the one who will finish.
Grade 5, those activities are connected to our topic for today. So, kindly look at the puzzle. What do you think is our topic for today? Yes, Mary Joy?
Teacher, I think it is about the instrument.
Yes, that's a good point. But look at the instrument. What did you notice about the materials? Yes?
Ma'am, it is made of wood.
Very good. It is made of wood. And that wood is our topic for today. It is called ethnic instrument. Our lesson for today is Philippine ethnic instrument. Again, what is our lesson for today?
Philippine ethnic instruments.
Very good. So now I provide here a guide question. So who wants to read the guide question? Yes, Veronica.
Guide question number 1. What is Philippine ethnic instrument? Number 2. What is the difference of ethnic instruments to modern musical instruments?
Okay, thank you. This guide question will be answered during our group discussion. And in our group discussion, what should be done? Who wants to read? Yes?
Standard for group discussion. Give thoughtful feedback. R. Respect other and their thoughts. On task all the time. Use soft voices, participate in activity, and stay with your group.
Okay, thank you. So, now we are going to have a group activity. I will group you into 3 groups. So, all you have to do is to form a circle and show your and share your answer, thoughts, or ideas about these 2 guide questions with your teammates. So, after that, each group will go in front and report what is your answer. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to do your report. You may now start. done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's call for group 1 to present this drum.
Okay, so what is the Philippine ethnic instrument? So the Philippine ethnic instruments are tradition of ancient people. The difference of ethnic instruments to modern musical instruments is that the ethnic instrument is made of wood, while modern is more advanced because of the technology.
Okay, let's give group 1 a 5 claps. Now let's call for group 2.
Our answer for group 2 is the Philippine ethnic instrument is an old instrument that represents the culture of their society. The difference in modern musical instrument is that ethnic instrument is handmade using bamboo and wood, while the modern is more on electronic.
Okay, let's give 5 claps for group 2. Grade 5, did you learn about in another groups?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So now for us to truly understand what is Philippine ethnic instrument, I will show you the definition. Kindly read the definition of Philippine ethnic instruments. Yes, Marigold?
Philippine ethnic instrument. Musical instrument traditionally used by specific ethnic groups within the Philippines.
Okay, so most of the ethnic groups use Philippine ethnic instruments. So now look at this. Look at the picture. Those are the ethnic groups. So who do you think is the ethnic groups? What did you notice in the picture? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, I think ethnic groups are those people who have the same beliefs.
Very good. When we say ethnic groups, those are those people with same beliefs, same characteristic, and also same color. And those ethnic groups are those people who commonly use the Philippine ethnic instruments. Now, there are 4 types of Philippine ethnic instruments. Let us start with membranophone. Will you read what is the definition of membranophone? Yes, Veronica?
Membranophone, any musical instrument which produces sounds by way of vibrating stretched membrane.
Okay. When we say membranophone, these are the instruments that produce sounds using vibrating or stretched membrane. When we say from the word membrane, it is those instruments with skin or head. Now I will show you the example of membranophone. Okay, this is an example of membranophone. Let's watch it again. Okay, what have you noticed to the style of this instrument? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, I think that's like a drum.
Yes, this instrument have the style of drum. This is called the dabuan. Again, what is the name of this instrument?
The dabuan.
Exactly. And now, look at this decoration. What did you notice? Yes, Mary Joy?
Ma'am, I noticed that the Dapuan is decorated with carvings and painting.
Yes, as we can see in the video, there is a decoration of carving and painting. So, how about the style? How about the materials being used? Yes?
Ma'am, the instrument is also made of wood.
Very good. It is made of wood. Again, what is the name of the instrument?
The dapuan.
Great. Now let us know the definition of the dapuan. Please read. Yes, Mary Joy.
The Dapuan are glass-shaped drum made of wood.
Okay, just like what your classmate said, it has the style of drum. So now, let's move on to the next types of Philippine ethnic instruments. Please read the definition. Yes.
Aerophone produce sounds by causing a body of air to vibrate without the use of strings.
Okay, it said that aerophone are those instruments that produce sounds by air to vibrate without the use of strings. Again, it only uses the body of air. Do you have any idea how it will produce sounds without the use of using body air without the use of string? Yes, Mary Joy?
I think these are the instruments that made the blow to produce sounds.
Yes, those are the instruments that produce sounds using blowing. So, do you have any idea what instrument can produce sounds using blowing? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, flute po.
Yes, a flute. A flute can be an example of aerophone. Now, I will show you the example of aerophone. So again, let's watch the example of aerophone. So what did you notice about how it produces sounds? Yes, Mary Joy?
On the instrument, I noticed that the sounds, it produces sounds through blowing the instrument by the nose.
Yes, the instrument you watch are produce sounds using blowing, using our nose. And that is called kaleng. Again, what is the name of this instrument?
Kaleng.
Now, I will show you the definition of kaleng. Will you please read the definition? Yes, Veronica?
Kaleng. Long bamboo tubes closed at one end by the node in which the blowing hole is burned.
Okay, when we say kaleleng, it is a long bamboo tube, just like in the video. So now, let's move on to the next types of Philippine ethnic instrument. This is called cordophone. Will you please read the definition, Mary Joy?
Cordophone. It produces sounds through vibrating string.
Okay, it produces sounds by way of vibrating string. So, do you have any idea what instrument can produce sounds using vibrating string? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, I think Ma'am, I think a guitar is an example of chord code.
Yes, it is an example of chord code. Now I will show you an example of chord code. So, based on the video, what did you notice? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, the instrument in the video is like a guitar, but in the video, it has only 2 strings.
Yes, in the video, it has 2 strings and it is called tudlong. Again, what is the name of the instrument?
Tudlong.
Very good. This is the definition of tudlong. This is tudlong. Two strings
Made of wood.
Okay. Tudlong is a two-string lute made of wood. As we can see in the video, it is also referred as a boat lute. So, do you have an idea why it is called boat lute? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, tudlong is called boat lute because of its shapes.
Yes, it shapes. So, do you think the tudlong in the video is like a boat?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now, there is a last types of Philippine ethnic instrument. This is called idophone. When you read,
Idiphone creates sounds by the way of vibrating without string.
okay, idophone instruments are those instruments that produce sounds by way of vibrating, but without a string. So, do you have an idea what instrument can produce sounds the way of vibrating without string? Yes, Veronica?
Ma'am, I think the idiphone will produce sounds by moving or shaking like a bell.
Yes, it is moving or shaking. Now, let's see if that is correct. This is the example of idophone. Again, let's watch the example of idophone. So, is your classmate answer correct? That idophone are those instruments that produce sounds by moving it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. As we can see in the video, the instrument produces sounds by striking it in our hand or palm. That instrument is called bungkaka. So, when you read the definition, Mary Joy,
Bungkaka. Produce sound by the interaction of the stick between the two bamboo.
okay, bungkaka, just like in the video, it produces sounds by striking in our hand. So, did you learn something in our discussion?
Yes, ma'am.
So, give yourself a 5 claps.
group has a box containing pictures of instruments. Each member picks one picture and places it in the correct column on the chart. The first group to pick each wins.
Okay, so based on the direction, each group have a box. Okay, so each group has a box. So each member picks one picture inside the box and places it in the right column in the chart. So do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first group who wins, or the first group to finish first is the winner. So do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, kindly start.
Ma'am, we're done.
Okay, so group 1 finished first. So can we give them 5 claps? Okay, so the group 1 finished first and got the most correct answers. So did you enjoy our activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you learn something new today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so kindly stand up and that is all for today. Goodbye class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay.
We are the group 1 and our topic is all about Philippine ethnic instrument. I'm Veronica Joy Cruz.
I'm Ronaldine P. Jimenez.
And I'm Merjoy F. Desirous.
And we are from BN